easiest way to clean luxury vinyl plank floors. Known as one of the most pet-friendly and durable floors, luxury vinyl planks are the perfect fit for active households. To protect your investment, you should take care of your floor by using a vacuum without the beater bar, or you could just raise the beater bar to the top if the vacuum doesn't allow the beater bar to come off. This will prevent dirt and pet hair from grinding into the floor, which it makes deep cleaning more difficult. All right, so most luxury vinyl planks can be cleaned by using Dawn soap and water. So basically you just mix 1 ounce of Dawn soap with a gallon of water, and that'll give you the best results. Personally, I like to use the Swiffer. It's the simplest and quickest way to get the job done. And they have a great variety of products, which I'm listing here. So you can get basically all different scents, you name it. They provide you with different scents. You just squeeze the little trigger and it'll squirt out, it sprays the floor for you, and then you just clean up behind yourself there. I like to use a little dry towel behind myself just so I don't leave residue behind. It just gives you a nicer finish. You don't have to do that, but I always do. It just gives you a cleaner finish. But look, as you can see what it does, it gets all the grime on the pad. There's a Velcro strip on the bottom. You just peel it off, put on a new one. Once you're using the spray there, you can also use a plug-in, which allows a little steam, so it'll get the worst stains off there for you. There's different types of cleaners. And this here shows you how to remove the pads, shows you how to insert the batteries, attach everything, basically how it works. But if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate you. And check out one of these other videos if you want to learn more about floors. Thanks a lot.